Chapter Al-Kawthar is the shortest chapter in the Qur'an, and it is remarkably coded with the number 10 in various ways. The Qur'an also challenges non-believers to create a chapter like this. In this video, we will explore how complex mathematics and the use of the number 10 are involved in this chapter. This entire chapter consists of 10 words, and each verse is composed of 10 different letters. Additionally, there are 10 letters in the chapter that are used only once throughout. The letter Aleph is the most repeated letter, appearing exactly 10 times in the entire chapter. Furthermore, the last letter of each verse in the chapter itself is Ra, which is the 10th letter in the Arabic alphabet. To form the last word ending with Ra, a total of 10 letters are used. The second word in each verse ends with the letter Kaf, and these 3 words are also made up of exactly 10 different Arabic letters. Excluding the last word and the second word in each verse, the remaining words end with exactly 10 letters. The numerical value of 10 times Kaf is equivalent to the numerical value of Ra. Like every other chapter, this chapter begins with Bismillah, and the letter Ra in Bismillah is positioned at the 10th place from both the beginning and the end. Bismillah is also composed of 10 different letters. Only 10 chapters in the Quran end with the letter Ra, and the 10th chapter to end with Ra is this shortest chapter. There are only 10 words in the entire Quran that end with Ra from this chapter to the end of Quran, and 2 verses in this chapter start with the same word Inna, meaning indeed. This word Inna first appeared in the Quran in chapter 2, verse 6. The 10th verse that contains the letter Ra is verse 6 of chapter 2, where Aleph is repeated 10 times. Like this chapter, there is only one other chapter that starts with the word Inna and ends with the letter Ra, which is chapter 97. There are exactly 10 chapters between these 2 chapters, and the letter Ra occurs exactly 10 times in chapter 97. Additionally, there are exactly 10 words that start with the letter Aleph in chapter 97. From the beginning of chapter 97, the word Inna appears exactly 10 times up to this shortest chapter. Moreover, from the last verse of chapter 97 to the first verse of this shortest chapter, there are exactly 10 verses that end with the letter Ra.